This is the cigar factory known as El Reloj, which is Spanish for the clock. It's the last major cigar factory still producing cigars in Tampa, which is kind of a big deal. Out of 200 cigar factories, it's become living history. Completed in 1910 by El Regensburg and Sons Cigar Company, El Reloj was the largest cigar factory in the world and the first brick-built factory in Tampa. 3 stories tall, the clock tower has chimed every hour for nearly a century. It's also the last weight-driven clock in Florida. El Reloj was an icon in the cigar industry of Tampa, then known as the cigar capital of the world, aka Cigar City. In 1954, Tampa's largest cigar factory was purchased by America's oldest family-owned cigar makers, the J.C. Newman Cigar Company. It's been their home ever since. Among Tampa's boutique cigar rollers, and over 100 years after its construction, El Reloj remains Cigar City's largest factory, rolling over 12 million cigars a year by hand and on original equipment. Undergoing extensive renovation in 2020, El Reloj has been brought back to its former glory with a modern twist, offering behind-the-scenes guided tours, a retail store, and its own 3-story museum. Some say the clock is all but guaranteed to keep on ticking into the future.